Hey Mike, it's Brad, and here's see what is it, 714, and here's CL, which is Brent Crude Light, and MPC Marathon Oil. So I just put them both up here. I got a couple lines drawn, but what I want to do is just kind of show how I think it's been kind of following each other a little bit. If we can see here, the tops here last year. 917 is lined up and then really tanked. Same thing. Hit bottom right here is for the end of the year. There it is. Went up. Of course, Marathon didn't go quite up as much. Stopped going up there 422. And then, of course, went lower. So, kind of together, but, always something different. Not taking it into any earnings or anything. But there we go. Just want to let you know that. They're kind of following each other. So, with MPC, show you. What I always like to do is try to get as much data as I can to do my draws. I got down here from 12, which was the low, up here to this high, 88.48. And so people could, when I say here's a 50% retracement, people could buy down here at 50, 95, 42, that's a 61.8. It means anywhere above it, the fib's still good, even though it can get a little dirty, but meaning you can go a little past it. But here's the long. People would buy here at 50 and look to take profits at 106. That's their target. That would be the target, I think, with here. Now, what I also do with all my draws is also show the shorts. Where are the shorts? What's the other side of the trade? And these are weekly draws, and we'll go into dailies for you too. But we can see here, one time here, this guy came up almost to the short. There was this 38.2, which is kind of grayed out, but it's there. Only came up to there, came down, and look at the low. It made the 46.51s. So what happens when a target is hit? That short target. Take another one. Boom. This guy goes away. And here is the short. And as we're seeing right here, 57.27, people could short, probably would, and then take profit here at this 23 or 40.30. You can see that. Now, is the short, what side's going to win? Could this, from this short here, let's go here into the dailies. And I saw where your double bottom, I don't know where I saw that double bottom on this guy. Anywhoozy, here we are, same draws, didn't change anything, just a different time frame, and I think it's because when I went into the 2-hour chart, I saw your double bottom. I don't know, not quite sure. Same thing, but it looks like what happened here, people coming up, starts to get bigger. I don't know if that's really where it came from. I would think that probably went here. And here's the next long. Could be. And anyways, what I'm getting at, let's see, is kind of interesting how you see some, whatever, if people do short here, again, they're looking for their profit targets here. I mean, to me, is buy, sell, to me, the short is on. If it does break that, it will probably come right up to this guy and go all the way halfway back. Short would be your next resistance. And when I say resistance, it means you probably see a reaction there. So if it does make it up through here, like we saw a little reaction here, doesn't mean that the short's going to win, but you're going to see a little reaction. So if you're in some short-term trading, like you said, perhaps some options, and if you got in, and if it breaks this and comes, it's going to scream right up to 67.51, and then you may want to take a profit there at the next short before letting it pull all the way halfway back long again, because then